If you've been seeing the Tello app recently and you're wondering what it's all about, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you around the app. I'm going to be explaining its main features, and I'm also going to be showing you one section that will really interest you. So make sure you watch till the end, and by the end of this video, you would have a better idea of what the app is like before you decide if you want to try it out or not. So this right here is what the homepage looks like, and as you can see, there are different voice rooms or chat rooms where people can talk, listen, and spend time together. So if you want to enter any room, all you need to do is to simply tap on it. And when you tap on this arrow icon up here, tap on it, you can choose any location of your choice: Africa, South Asia, Southeast, Middle East, and any language of your choice. So you can choose to spend a little time looking around the app so that you understand how everything works. There are different things you can explore. Just move around. You can search for people. This is the search bar here. You can search for people. You check notification, visit their profile, and chats. So one thing about this app is that it is very simple. Just after a few minutes of using it, you will know where everything is. When you go over to your me page, you also see more, like your host center. If you want to become a host, you need to join an agency. If you check this arrow up here, if you click on it, it will take you to your profile, and right there you'll be able to change your profile picture, update your information, and things like that. And when you look down here, you see some other things you might want to explore, like this particular one here that says tax. Now, if you're a new user on the app, this is how your own will show. This is how it will show. And this is just one of the activities found in this app recently. So if as a new user you'd want to participate in this particular activity or this task, please make sure to read the instructions carefully so that you understand how it works and what you need to do. And if you have any question, feel free to let me know in the comment section. So for this particular one here, this first option, if you join a chat room and you stay for about 60 minutes, we are going to be getting this amount of points in reward. Now this is optional, and you still have this particular one, which is crown seats. Now when you click on your points, you'll be able to see the amount of points you have right here. And as you can see from here, when you have up to 1 million points, you will have the option to cash it out. So what you do is to fill in your payment method. You choose your country. You have different countries here, and you choose your payment method. Then you put in the amount and you confirm. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And if you would want me to make another video to show you guys how to withdraw your points from Tello app, feel free to let me know in the comment section. You can go ahead to request for part 2. So one thing I'll need you to keep in mind is that just like every other app, Tello app also has its own rules. Now some features or some activities may change after some updates, so make sure you have that in mind. And another thing is that some part of the app may look different depending on your account or your region. And if you have any question at all, feel free to let me know in the comment section. And if you'd like to know more about the app, or if you want a tutorial on how to withdraw your points from Tello app, let me know in the comment section. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.